Yeah, I just got the license plates for my 2025 Rivian R1S, and I didn't see anywhere online where people showed you how to install the front license plate bracket that comes from the factory. You probably could have the service center do it, but I just went ahead and did it real quick. I found the bracket that was in the front, and now I'm going to just show you how to install it real quick. Just 4 screws, but you do have to drill through the bumper, and there's no turning back, so it's a permanent install. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the distance between these two ultrasonic parking sensors, so I can get the middle. 23 inches, so at 11 and a half. So I'm just going to make a mark, Sharpie. Can't really see that. I can see it, but probably not. Now the mark needs to be right here on this gray part to line up with this cutout, which says align to the center line of the fascia. So I'm just going to make this line straight. Put a line right there, mark. Now I can see that mark through there, and so now I'm going to drill my screws in. I'm going to be using number 8 self-tapping screws, hex head, just because they're a little bit easier to hold, but just 5/8 inch. That's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to get the first 2 out here. Alright, I got the mark lined up. This is actually set up so that this lines up under here. All right, no turn back. All right, that one. Second here. All right, so that's there. These 2 screws actually go on the license plate. Okay, so what I found is these 5/8 inch screws that I used for the top here just aren't quite long enough to go into here. So probably what I would suggest is the self-tapping 1-inch screws, number 8. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these number 10 1-inch screws for the bottom. Okay, so now it's on there.